SafeMoon blockchain. Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. The SafeMoon dev team has confirmed that they are developing a SafeMoon blockchain, and today we're going to talk about the significance of that. As you know, SafeMoon is linked to Binance to the BEP20, which means SafeMoon tokens are stored on Binance's addresses. Simply put, if Binance dies, the SafeMoon token is pretty much gone. But SafeMoon is developing its own blockchain and will turn the SafeMoon token into the SafeMoon coin. Right now, SafeMoon is a token. Tokens are cryptos that are built upon another crypto's blockchain. Think of it as you renting a room from the owner of the home. In this case, SafeMoon is renting space from Binance. A coin is a crypto with its own blockchain. Think of it as living in the home you own, and in turn, you can rent rooms out to other cryptos and they will be called tokens. A SafeMoon blockchain will mean SafeMoon will be a coin, as far as we can assume since that's the point of creating one's own blockchain. Another reason why a SafeMoon blockchain is exciting news is that SafeMoon will be in the same league as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance, and the other coins out there who have their own blockchain. Blockchain technology is relatively new and people are still trying to find a real-world purpose for it. But it's basically a foolproof method of verifying and accounting for data. SafeMoon aims to integrate into video games, and before that, it seemed far-fetched since it's a token. But as a coin with its own blockchain, the possibilities are endless, not just for video game integration, but integrations into other applications. The SafeMoon coin will also be noteworthy for the Gambia because of its actual utility of use as a blockchain. Transactions can be verified and accounted for in a national scale, something unheard of. A third aspect is how SafeMoon ultimately aims to compete with Binance and the Binance coin. This will set SafeMoon up for its long-awaited SafeMoon exchange. The SafeMoon coin will be how Binance coin is now. Before a newer crypto can be listed on the SafeMoon exchange, they do that whole pancake swap stuff, but instead of buying Binance coins, they buy SafeMoon coins and exchange them for the new crypto. Users will be able to pay fees donated in SafeMoon coins. And as you know, each buy and sell of SafeMoon reduces the supply and redistributes a percentage to existing users. Basically, you can think of the SafeMoon coin once it's created its own blockchain as Binance coin, but on steroids and far more intriguing than Binance coin. The Binance coin opened to the public in 2017 at a price of 10 cents. Right now, 4 years later, it's at $399 per coin. I'm using Binance because this is what SafeMoon is closely emulating. In 4 years, Binance multiplied 3,990 times. Plotting that alongside the SafeMoon token and eventually the SafeMoon coin once the blockchain is built, will get SafeMoon to 1.5 cents in 4 years, but I'm thinking closer to 5 or 6 years. Of course, that depends on a large number of factors like the blockchain being built, the exchange going live, the wallet going live, the card going live, and the Gambia project moving forward. At that point, a $50 investment to SafeMoon now would net you $199,500 if it got to the point where Binance coin is at now. And with Binance having some legal issues and geopolitical setbacks, SafeMoon might very well be the crypto to replace Binance. It all starts with the SafeMoon blockchain and the build up from there. What are your thoughts? Are you excited about the SafeMoon blockchain? If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.